Hey everybody, it's Aunt Cathy here, and I thought you might like to see the goats. This is Six over here. She's one of my full Spanish. And this is one of my blacks. She's half Spanish and half Nubian. There's Buddy, our little Buddy. He's a little herd sire. We just got him from Kay and Jason's Sport. Sure are glad to have him here. They're looking for cookies here. That's what they're wanting. That's a little white there. And that's my other black. She's a three-legged goat. There's the two little blacks. They got different mamas, but the same Nubian daddy, and they both had Spanish mothers. And little white, she's a full Spanish. And this little Buddy here, who's nibbling on me now, he's a mini Nubian, so he had a Nubian mama and a Nigerian dwarf daddy. He's little and he's cute as can be, and he looks a lot like our old Spanish buck. His name was Buck. Anyway, that's the goats. Anyway, and that's it from Aunt Cathy and Murphy Farm today. Bye bye.